Hello everyone, welcome to ALS Education Center. Today's topic is proportion. So here we will write proportion. So let's see what is proportion. An equality of two ratios is called proportion. So an equality of two ratios are called proportion or called proportion. Meaning of equality is barabari. So what is ratio? Ratio is when we compare two quantities of same kind by the division. So that is called ratio. Like we have taken the example 5 and 10 here. So when we will compare it like by division, so 5 by 10 will be the answer na. So when we will cut it, so the answer will be 1:2. The is to sign is ratio. So this is the ratio. Okay, when we will compare the two quantities by the form of division, that is known as ratio. Now let's see the formula of proportion. So formula for taking out proportion. So the formula is product of extremes equal product of mean. Product of extremes equal product of mean. What is product of extreme? First and fourth term of proportion are called extreme term or extremes. So let's take an example here. We will take 6, 10, 11 and 12. So it is continued proportion. We will write in proportion like this: 6:10, 11, 12. So this is ratio and this is proportion sign. So it is saying that the first and fourth term of proportion means first and fourth term of proportion is known as product of extreme. Product means multiplication. So 6 into 12 is the product of extreme, and product of mean is second and third. Second and third, the product of mean is second and third is a what? A term of proportion are called middle term or means. Okay. So this is product of mean and this is product of extreme. Now we will write continued proportion. Continued proportion. Before starting this, let me tell you one more again. This into this means first and fourth. When will we multiply it, the product of extreme will come, and when will we multiply second and third number, that will come what? Product of mean. So this and this and this. Now continued proportion, where we will take an example of A is to B is to C. So here A, B and C are what? Continued proportion, mean it is going continue. Okay, it is going continue to, it is what? Continued proportion. So here we will write continued proportion. Continued proportion. And where C is a third proportion. C is a third proportion of A and B. Okay, so here we will write C is third proportion, or you can write proportional proportional of A and B. A and B. So C is a third proportion of A and B, and where B is a middle one, so we will call B is called the mean proportional or geometric mean between A and C. So here we will write B is called mean proportional or geometric mean between A and C. So here we will add geometric mean between A and C, means A and C means first and third letter के जो बीच में होता है उसको हम लोग बोलते हैं geometric means B. So here we will take an example. A is to B is to means ratio sign, then B is to C. So here we will write in a division form that I have told you, upper part only. So A by B and again equal sign B by C. Now we will multiply this by this, like product of extreme, this product of extreme and product of mean. So this B into B equal sign product of mean A into C. A into C. So the answer will be B square equal AC. Let's solve one question according to proportion. Here we will take a question. If X 42, 294 are in continued proportion. Find the value of X. So what we have to find? The value of X. So here we will write the given part. Given is that X 42 and 294 are in continued proportion. So here we will write like this. X ratio sign 42, then ratio means proportion sign, then what will we write? 294. This question, but what is given? This is mean, extreme. This is extreme and there is one mean only. So we will take one more time this number 42 as a mean. So here we will write X ratio 42, then proportion sign, then again we will write 42 as a mean as it is not given, and then we will write ratio sign and 294. Now we will solve this. So here this will multiply into this and this will multiply into this as product of, this is a formula of this, product of extreme equal product of mean. Product means multiply, so we will multiply the extreme one, means X into 294 equal 42 into 42. So now it will become X into 294, that will be same only, and 42 into 42 means 42 square. Now this will go here, X and 294 and then 42 is having a square, so 42 into 43, what will be the answer? 1764. 42 into 42 is it given square, so we will write here 42 into 42. Square is given, so we will multiply that same number by that number only. So 42 into 42, the answer will be 1764. Now it is in a multiplication sign, so x will be here only, and this multiply will go there and it will convert into what? Division. So 1764 divide by 2, 9 and 4. This is in multiplication, so it will go here and will convert into division. Now we will cut it. So after dividing it, the answer will be 6. Hence our x is x equal what? 6. Means our x become 6 here. Our topic is finished. So please like and subscribe my video and support. Bye.